You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Item provided by Mel Science for review. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Thanks for stopping by this video today.
We appreciate when they stop by, LPS-Dave.
Yeah, I was going to ask you, do you appreciate when they stop by?
I love when they stop by the Lucky Penny Shop, LPS-Dave.
Well, that's really cool. I mean, we hope they watch the whole video, right?
Well, it's not just a stop by, like a stop and go.
Yeah, stop and go. Yeah, that's definitely not good. All right.
Come to the Lucky Penny Shop where everyone knows your name. No, where we would like to know your name.
All right. Thanks to MEL Chemistry for sending us the initial set, because we have all of this on video already. And by the way,
Really?
Butch was on the schedule for that day, everybody. Anybody who was wondering why.
Snakes!
So really you were...
Snakes!
It was not that kind of snake. I didn't make like a...
Any kind of snake, LPS-Dave.
It was really cool to watch.
Snakes.
Okay. All right. Well, he was invited, but couldn't make it because he was afraid of snakes, even though it was not that
You know
kind
what's
of snake.
worse than snakes, LPS-Dave?
What's that?
Fire snakes.
I guess so. Mm-hmm. So if you want to see the first video where I actually make the Chemistry of Monsters Experiment 1.
Oh, and monsters.
Yeah, I know that all scares you.
Yeah, I'm out.
And then I take the whole starter kit, show you all the pieces, show you the virtual headset. So that video will be a link in the description. Go check that out. And please watch that one all the way through. It really helps.
I guess I wish I'd been here for that. I didn't know there was a virtual headset.
There is. So we are going to start today, actually do this kit right here. It's got 2 experiments. It is the Tin Experiment Set. So we're going to get right into it. We're not going to show you all the pieces and go over all the details.
We're just going to start experimenting.
Going right to it. So we'll be right back. We'll set up everything here, maybe get some goggles on, and we will get started.
No snakes, you promise, right?
No snakes.
Oh, good.
All right, we are back, and we just wanted to go over what actually is included in the...
LPS-Dave?
Yeah,
Where did you get my menu for sandwiches?
I don't see a menu. I see the periodic table of the...
No. That's the menu for how I make sandwiches.
Really?
And how I memorize the periodic table of
Okay.
elements when I
Well,
was
let
a
me ask
kid.
you this question here. ZR. What kind of sandwich do you have for
Well, it's a
ZR?
very rare one, LPS-Dave. You
Okay.
can't find it everywhere. That's zebra meat.
Zebra meat. Okay, I'm not sure who eats that. And then the element for
delicious.
zebra meat.
Zirconium. That's easy.
Huh.
Zebra zirconium.
All right. And what
TI, turkey.
TI turkey.
TIRKY, turkey.
Okay. All right. And then here, let me throw another one at you. PB. That one should be easy. I can come up with a sandwich for that. But what's the element for PB?
Peanut butter.
Okay.
That's the element.
Oh,
Isn't that an element?
No.
Oh, it's lead.
Okay. All right.
How did PB, peanut butter, you know what they were doing? They're sitting around eating a peanut butter sandwich one day, and they said, what are we going to call lead?
Okay, let's get back on track here. The only reason I'm showing the element is because that comes with the original set.
And to make me hungry.
And then in the starter kit, it tells you here. See, right here. Take from the starter kit. Plastic tray, safety glasses, which you have, smartphone clip-on macro lens, and smartphone stand. And then we figured out from the last video, let me show everybody, to get the macro and micro lens separate, you spin it the opposite direction. So there's the 2 lenses.
The old
now.
reverse thread.
It's reverse thread for that part of it, yes. And then regular thread for the other part. And then it will tell you now the 2 experiments that come in this kit. Now, each month
it's not a snake.
It's not a snake.
Oh, good.
Each month you get 2 kits, which each have 2 experiments. At least so far, that's what we've experienced. So we can make the Tin Dendrite or the Tin Hedgehog. Which one do you want to do?
Oh, I love hedgehogs.
Should we do the
Hate
hedgehog?
snakes, love hedgehogs.
All right, so we're going to come back. We're going to get set up for the Tin Hedgehog. We'll move all this out of the way. We'll take this out of the box and check out all the pieces.
I'm going to get a sandwich.
Yeah, I'm hungry now, too. Okay, speaking of experiments, this set contains chemicals that may be harmful. If misused, read caution on individual containers carefully, not to be used by children except under adult supervision.
Yes.
And by the way, no food in the laboratory.
I know. We talked about it in between.
Yes,
We'll make a sandwich later.
We'll make a sandwich later, yes.
I think I'll have a CPBFE. Delicious.
I don't know how you figured that out, but now you get the 2 experiments. Now remember, you can scan any of these little codes. Where's the code? Where's the code? And it tells you the experiment online.
Really?
You can scan any of the little bottles. They have their little code on the sides right there. And it'll tell you the bottle. So now it looks like we have quite a few
Oh my.
Experiments.
That's a lot of chemicals.
We are going to need batteries. That's the only thing I didn't mention here. Look, it will tell you, prepare in advance and bring your own batteries.
We didn't do that.
No. But we're not ready yet anyway. We're going to do that in the next level. It looks like we get gloves.
Nice.
A small pair and a large pair.
In that little box.
Yes. And then there's these little caps and then some leads, connection leads for electricity. We have a couple Petri dishes. Petri, whatever you want to say. And then the instruction sheet. Wow. So now we need to figure out which experiment. Hedgehog.
Definitely
Hedgehog. Tin Hedgehog. So this will tell us everything we need to get ready. Okay, so we are going to have to come back one more time. And then we are going to get set up to actually, let's see, do we need the batteries? I'm not sure. We'll figure that out. But the difficult level is a 1. The danger is a 1. And the duration is 20 minutes.
I like that combination right there.
Yeah, simple,
The
easy.
snake, the danger level was off the chart there, wasn't it?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
A zinc pellet turns into a hedgehog. That sounds like fun, doesn't it? All right, we'll be right back when we get a little bit more set up. This one actually uses the batteries. Oh, should we do that one with the batteries? Do you think that'll be more
batteries instead.
Let's think about that.
I'm okay with not doing the hedgehog LPS-Dave.
All right, maybe we can do them side by side and just let them sit for 15 minutes. That's
Interesting.
an option. All right, so we'll check that out. We'll come back and we will get started. Okay, Butch, I'm finishing up my glove number 2 for my left.
LPS-Dave, I had a little issue with my
What's
glove,
that?
by the way.
What's that?
A little issue with my glove.
Yeah. Looks good.
I think I might need to go see the groomer.
Oh, wait, it is a glove. It's not a bodysuit.
Hey, you never be too careful, LPS-Dave.
All right, well, you look pretty good in that with your glasses. All right, so let me get my glasses on. Now, by the way, everybody, we're going to do 2 experiments.
Oh, yeah, we're doing them both.
Because we have the time-lapse booth set up. So we could take this, finish this, set it up over there, and let it run while we actually start experiment number 2.
We're going to let our hedgehog grow over there in a quiet place.
Yes. All right, so you will need a paper clip here because it is provided. So you take off this one here. The lid of this one is, well, this is tin chloride. All right, so we take this off.
Tin and chloride.
Yes, right. So there's like a powdery, white powdery substance in there. And then we take this one here, which is the sodium hydrogen sulfate 10 milliliter solution. Okay. Now there is a little stopper in there, which needs to come out. Otherwise, we cannot pour the bottle. There we go. Okay, so hopefully that doesn't block it up. Then it says, empty the bottle into that bottle. Here we go.
Wow, just like that. Is it happening yet? Is it happening yet?
Well,
is it a hedgehog yet?
It's an experiment.
Is it a baby hedgehog?
It's not a one-part experiment here.
Wow, there's no snake that's going to jump out of it, right?
No snake.
No surprise snake.
Nor a hedgehog. Last drop. Every last drop. Let me listen. Shake over here. Nothing. Okay.
Empty.
Now put this little stopper on here. Let's just see if that pushes on or screws on. Okay. Pushes on. Then they want the red lid on the green bottle. Then shake for 1 minute.
1 minute.
And while that's happening, I am going to get this set here. Shake, shake, shake. Do. So they want half the liquid in here. I wonder if you could do 2 because they give you 2 of those. So you have enough to do it twice.
Interesting.
I don't know what's in the box. I thought they... Oh, it's in the video booth, actually.
Could make a little friend, a hedgehog friend for him.
Yeah. We might as well set up 2 and we can leave it here while the other one records. How's that?
Interesting.
Okay, so 1 minute. Let me know. Has it been a minute? Are you counting?
We're at about 8 seconds, LPS-Dave.
8 seconds.
And 1 minute.
Time for the experiment. Now these were also in there, these absorbent. So I don't know, maybe it's to clean them out. I have no idea. I didn't
Those go in your nose in case you have a bloody
No,
nose.
don't put anything in your nose.
No, don't put it in your nose.
All right, that's mixed. We need 1 tablet, but I'll put 2 here. Okay.
That would be zinc.
Pretty cool, yes. This says ZN, zinc, which is a zebra sandwich, I believe.
Oh boy, am I getting hungry.
Okay. So now they want half. So this goes up to 5 milliliters, but half the solution. I don't know how much is half in the actual bottle. It says fill half of the vial. Okay, let's see. Maybe we don't have enough to fill the whole thing twice. Then put the zinc tablet in, then put the lid on, and then we move to the next experiment. Here we go.
Wow. This is really cool.
Okay, that's half. Should we just put it in here just to see if you get 2 full experiments out of it?
I don't think you can keep
There you go. Okay, a little bit more in each, but I think we're good. All right, and then put the tablet in, the lid's on, and then...
Oh, this is going to be cool.
Choo.
Okay,
Right.
I thought that would be more dramatic.
Well, it takes time, so let's put the lid on. All right, we're going to
I
put
could
one
never be a scientist, LPS-Dave.
in the time-lapse booth, and then we are going to leave one with us, and we will come back now and start experiment number 2. All right, here we go, Butch. All set?
Ooh, doggy.
It's hard to show the hedgehog, but fortunately we have one recording in the back there.
He's looking very hedgehoggy.
Now you can use your macro lens. I have it set up on here, and you can zoom way in. Now you got to get the right light and then get super close.
Way close.
But we'll show you a close-up on the camera that we're running right now. And then, all right, pretty much the same thing. Now I want to get the batteries set. All right, so here we go. Battery numero 1.
Yeah, once we get those chemicals mixed, LPS-Dave, we don't want to be messing
Now I
around
want to
with
jump right
batteries.
into this here. And then, oh, battery number 4. Where are you? Battery number 4. There we go. Okay, that looks good. So we'll take that. We'll move our leads. All right, so the same we've used before. This is the tin chloride. Open that up. Let's move Petrie out of the way, huh?
Good old Pete.
And then this is the sodium hydrogen sulfate. So now these bottles, we had one stick when we were testing. You got to really push down on some of them to get them to release the
They're
child
like dog safety locks.
Yeah, see like that one? You're going to be there for a long time. Just keep pushing down. Now there is that little stopper in there, the protective stopper. So let's pop that out. 1, 2, 3. Can I have a sound effect?
Bloop.
Thank you. Now pour, empty the bottle. Okay.
Steady.
I know I'm a distance and trying to pour in. Gotta have steady hands.
I'm trying to be quiet so that I don't disturb you, LPS-Dave.
Thank you, sir.
I know that's unusual.
And then we're gonna shake for 1 minute again.
1 minute.
I think I got it.
Did I mention I have to use the restroom right now, LPS-Dave?
Because you heard it. Now put on the little cap and the tip now. That just pushes on. Okay. And then they want the red cap back on here. Probably so that you know you've mixed chemicals now. And it's not
very
the same.
smart.
Okay, Petrie, come on in here, Petrie. We don't need this. 2 drops of that. We can move Hedgehog out of the way. It is growing.
Wow.
We'll
it
give you a
is.
4K close-up of that.
It's got little sparkles in there, too.
Are you keeping the count here? Keep counting.
Not quite a minute yet.
Not quite a minute. You know, at some point, we're going to have to really just let it do its thing. So we'll back out and just kind of let this
Yeah.
camera run then.
Yep. This is how I do my timing. Not quite a minute. Almost quite a minute.
Okay.
Nearly quite a minute.
Nearly. Okay. Okay, we will
Not
need the,
yet.
We'll need the leads
That's the
now.
next one.
So it says distribute. Oh, actually, pour this in, empty the bottle, then put 2 drops of the soap, then distribute liquid evenly. They kind of show it in the little card where you're taking your hand and kind of going. Okay.
1 minute.
Oh, has it been a minute?
I'm guessing.
All right, here
It
we
felt
go.
like a minute.
Okay, I think you're right. Sometimes you lose track, but better mix. Better.
Do we
mix.
dump the whole bottle in there?
It says empty the bottle.
That would be yes. Oh boy. Ooh, now I'm in trouble.
Now, it doesn't seem like it's enough to actually reach the spot, so we're going to have to make it so that it's connected here. So we'll leave it like that. Okay, then we will take 2 drops of this.
2 drops. Do you want me to count them out for you?
Yes. You
I don't want you to lose track.
So let me get this cap off. Here, you got to sometimes really push down. Okay, it's got another stopper in it.
Boy, they think of everything. Bloop.
Thanks. Liquid soap.
Ready.
Yes.
And
One.
1.
Ooh, that expanded it. Did you see that?
2. Stop.
Okay.
Look at that. How did... You barely put anything in there and it filled the whole thing
It
up.
did. It changed it. All right, so lead number 1. I don't know if it's touching the liquid enough, do you?
It's dipped.
Distribute evenly. Okay, lead number 2. Okay, before we hook the power source, let's back out here. Let's get this set.
Oh, I lost my glasses.
You got it. You're good.
Thank you.
Let's get the lighting set. Okay, I'm going to turn down the lighting just a little bit so we can get a nice close-up in there. Okay, now I need to hook up the battery.
This is going to be really
working here
scary,
in the corner here.
Is there going to be a boom?
I hope there's no boom.
Oh.
I have my safety glasses on still. Red lead is set. We don't want to cross the leads.
What do you think's going to happen?
Well, we're just going to let the camera roll. So from this point on, everybody, shh, quiet out there, everybody.
See you in a little bit.
We'll be back. We'll let this record, and we'll see what happens. Did you see that, Butch? That was really cool.
How in the world did that happen, LPS-Dave? It traveled across the whole petri dish.
And it looks like the positive side is now attracting more or creating a larger grouping, huh?
Very interesting. It's like they all want to be on that side of the pool.
Now, if you want to learn more about the experiment and what's happening, they do have all that information on their website. We just want to see cool things.
Yeah, we're not very much into the whole heady stuff. We like to just see cool stuff.
Yeah.
Like if it were to blow up, I'd be really impressed right now.
Well, no, we don't want to do that. All right, we're going to come back now that we've seen that experiment, and maybe we'll clean up a little bit, bring in experiment number 1 that we did, and just kind of recap, talk about it, maybe show you up close my hedgehog.
The hedgehogs.
Okay, Butch.
Well, LPS-Dave, I'll tell you, I've lost about 10 pounds during this experiment here. Just sweating it away.
Now, we are actually have hedgehog number 2. What were you saying, sweating away?
You know, in this latex suit that I'm wearing right now.
We'll take that off shortly. Hedgehog number 2 is going to stay running for a while. I want to see how big that one can get. So we don't even know how that's going to look in the time lapse or speeded up video.
I hope that the little vial can contain it.
But we do have hedgehog number 1 here. So let me do this. I want to try to get a close-up of both. But I want to adjust some lighting. I want to get my macro lens in here.
Yes.
And then see if we can show you real close detail.
In the dark?
Probably.
Wow.
All right, Butch. Hedgehog. Check that out.
I almost want to name them LPS-Dave. It looks so realistic.
Now let's see if we can zoom into that. It took a while to get this to where we could see, but look how close we can get to the hedgehog. Little fibers in there. Isn't that
spiky.
Cool? It's very spiky. Look at that. It's like little hedgehog hairs. All right, that's experiment number 1. Now let's take a close-up of experiment number 2.
That was a cool one, LPS-Dave.
That was cool. Okay, here we go. Now, moving this one around had an effect on it, but you could see the bottom of the tray. Looks like little squiggles. So now I'm going up to the red. Oh, wait, here's some cool ones right here. You could see these real close. See them?
Those are tendrils.
Yes. There's a long one there. Ooh, you got to get it just right. See how it stretches across?
Wow.
Look at that. That's pretty cool. There's the edge of Petrie. Let's see if I could just zoom in just a little bit. Ooh, now you're going to have to really work with it to try to get it to focus. Look at that.
Look at that.
Pretty cool. So what we'll do is we're going to wrap it up here. You'll see all the time lapse and speeded up video at the end. And thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this video. We had fun.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, that's cool. Did you have fun doing the experiments?
I had a lot of fun, LPS-Dave. You know what time it is now?
It's time to, now we can go eat. We wash.
Sandwich time.
Yes, we clean up. We wash all of our stuff. And then we go have a sandwich. And thanks for watching, everybody. If you can, give the video a thumbs up, share it on social media, call out Mel Science. I said Mel Chemistry earlier, but thanks to Mel Science for sending this in. Later.
Boom, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
pick it up.